Message to humanity. Those who have controlled your world are witnessing their end. There is a real risk that these malicious entities may manipulate events to provoke conflicts, directing weapons against humanity and falsely blaming us. I bring a message from the Intergalactic Council of Andromeda. Greetings in the light and love of our infinite Creator, brothers and sisters of Earth. As the moment approaches, excitement and anticipation grow among your galactic siblings. While a celestial spectacle is about to unfold, your magnificent sky, adorned with clouds, vibrant colors, and twinkling stars, will transform into a stage for the long-awaited reunion with your star families. Numerous galactic beings have traveled across galaxies to meet with you. It will be a profoundly significant moment, a merging of the past and present, where the mysteries of your existence will be revealed before your very eyes. The disclosure of extraterrestrial presence during this event will have a profound impact on Earth and its inhabitants. This revelation holds the potential to transform humanity's collective understanding of the universe and its place within it. It may challenge long-held beliefs and ideologies, prompting a reevaluation of spiritual and philosophical frameworks. The realization that humans are not alone in the cosmos could spark a paradigm shift in how you view yourselves, your planet, and all of existence. This shift in perspective will lead humanity to recognize and embrace its significant role within the immense universe. The awareness of sharing the cosmos with other intelligent beings will ignite a wave of curiosity and exploration, propelling scientific and technological advancements to new heights. The encounter with extraterrestrial beings will guide humanity toward deeper understanding and interaction with civilizations from other galaxies. A new chapter in human history will open, filled with infinite possibilities and opportunities for growth, collaboration, and coexistence. Acknowledging your interaction with the cosmos will not only evoke awe and wonder, but also inspire you to seek greater harmony, unity, and understanding with the world around you. This event has the potential to usher in a new era of enlightenment and unity, fostering a deeper appreciation for the beauty and complexity of the universe and your role within it. In our peaceful encounter with humanity, it is crucial to remain vigilant against the possibility of individuals attempting to deceive you. It is important to emphasize that our intentions are purely peaceful. We will not use weapons to cause harm under any circumstances, even in the face of aggression from your governments. We remain steadfast in our commitment to nonviolence and will not engage in retaliation, as we are immune to such provocations. However, in this scenario of peace and goodwill, there remains a concern that malevolent forces may attempt to sow discord and chaos. There is a real risk that these malicious entities may manipulate events to provoke conflicts, directing weapons against humanity and falsely blaming us. This could lead to unwarranted hostility and distrust, endangering the fragile peace we strive to maintain in our interactions with you. Therefore, it is imperative for humanity to exercise caution and discernment to avoid the nefarious schemes of those who seek to disrupt these interactions. Those who have controlled your world are witnessing their end. They know they cannot stop what is about to happen and only seek to generate fear to lower your vibrational frequency. Many star families are already showing themselves in your skies. We bring the gifts of peace and unity. We observe you, celebrate you, and love you in the love and light of our infinite Creator. We are the Intergalactic Council of Andromeda, here to serve the divine. Share this message in its entirety. We will personally reach out to some of you so that you can also share our information. A profound message from our elder brothers of Andromeda. Let us be prepared, dear brothers and sisters, for this great reunion. Infinite gratitude to their guidance and support, as well as to all the beings from other galaxies for assisting in this process of transformation and the transition of Earth into the fifth dimension. Light, love, and deep inner peace to all. And happy birthday to everyone celebrating in December. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light, at the service of humanity and the enlightenment of the new earth. Voice for We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you deeply. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.